Eric Kelly here with Enthusiast Auto. I wanted to do a little exhaust clip with an M5. A really healthy M5. This car is one we know quite well, having owned it and been a part of its life service-wise for the last 7 years. We bought it when it had 6,200 and change miles, sitting at a whopping 9,500 and change miles. And it has a really sweet exhaust system, starting with a set of Racing Dynamics headers into high-flow cats, and then into a two-piece, two-section tubey resonator and muffler combo that the original owner put on the car. He was a Ferrari collector out east, and tubey was his go-to. I think it was about a $12,000 exhaust system in period, and it's one of the absolute best sounding E39 M5 exhaust systems I've heard ever. And I think we should probably put the camera outside the car a little bit to give you that firsthand. Yeah, let's do that.